Hello future designers, welcome to another tutorial ABCD. So today we'll learn to use the blend tool as you see here. Okay, so trying to achieve something like this. So that said, I'm going to add a new artboard. So I'll just click here. Okay, since you already have you would have to create a new project. Okay, already have this. Okay, since if you've gone through my tutorials, you should be able to create an artboard. So that said, I'm going to pick any of the stroke. Like let's try using the arc tool. Okay, and I'm just going to hold Shift and then draw this. Okay, then decide to use any size of the stroke. So I'm going to increase my stroke, and then what I have to do is let me pick the ellipse tool and then draw a perfect circle while holding Shift key. I'm going to take the stroke out and now give it a fill. Okay. So I don't want a fill, but I want a gradient. Okay, so I'll click on the gradient tool here. Already I have this gradient color set. So you can decide to change the angles of your gradient. Okay, so first let me just change the color here. Sorry. So when I click here, just going to double click, okay, and then let's say I want this color. Okay, then I'm going to double click here too. And then let's say I want this color. It's not that. Choose this. Okay, so you can see the highlights and then like the fusing out, so the gradients. Okay, so I can decide to change the angle. So let's see if I use 45, you can see how it's going. Let me change it to 90. Okay, so 90. Okay, so let's leave it at 90. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Control C, Control F to copy and paste in front. Okay, and then while holding on Shift, I'm going to move this here. So Control plus to zoom in, and then I'm going to highlight the two. Let me give some more spacing. So while holding Shift, like this, and then give some more spacing just to demonstrate how the blend tool works. Okay, so I'm going to highlight the two, and then I'll go to Object, then I'll go to Blend, and then Hot Make Blend. Okay, so you can see what just happened. Okay. So this is not what. Okay, so what I can do now is to um go back to the objects, and then let me go to blend, and then we have blend options. Then I'm going to choose specific distance and preview and see, so you can see what's just happened. Okay, so you can see what just happened. It merged them. If you want this to be below, so that we'll have, let's say, our light sources at the top, so our highlight should be at the top. So I'm going to reflect this. Okay, so I'll just do this so that we have, let's say, our light sources from the top. So we can use our green here to be our shadow, and then our lemon color here to be our highlights. Okay, so there's the blend tool, and then you can try. Okay, so let's do something here. Just going to highlight the two here. Okay, so highlight the two, or multi-select by holding Shift and then clicking on the two of them, and then go to Object. Then I'm going to, let's say, blend, and then I'm going to replace spine. Okay, so you can see we have it replicated here. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.